just stopped trading for GMC and GME and AMC stocks. So previously, Revolut was one of the ways how you would buy stocks. These like stocks instead of Robinhood and some other apps which stops trading. So Revolut is quite popular. I think it's one of the top investing apps in Europe, but it was like an alternative for US. So, but then I just got an email around 4:54 p.m. Central European time that from today, Revolut will only be able to facilitate the selling of GameStop and AMC Entertainment stocks for time being. Unfortunately, our broker dealer in the US, Dry Wells, can no longer offer buys on the stocks due to increased capital requirements set by the Depository Trust Company DTC in the US. So there you have it. And what does it mean for you? It says you can only sell existing holds in these stocks. Any outstanding buy orders on these two symbols made after Monday's 1st February close will automatically be cancelled prior to market open on February 2nd. And then none of other stocks are affected at this time and available to trade as normal. So only these two stock positions. For customers with no holdings in these two stocks, neither GME nor AMC will appear in the Revolut search field. So, yep. Then there is like an explanation why is this happening. So I'm just reading an email from Revolut. When the stock is traded, it takes 2 days for the proceeds to go from the broker to the clearinghouse. This is known as T+2 settlement. Within this time, the clearinghouse requires the broker to front cash or capital guarantees to ensure funds are available through the settlement process. The required amount of capital is usually around 10-15% of the value of security holdings on brokers' books. However, this percentage can vary on stock volatility. In the case of GME and AMC, the DTC has enforced an increase of capital requirements by 250% upon Dry Wells clearing partners. And this increase means that Dry Wells is now obligated to restrict trading in GME and AMC, as each stock has its own capital requirement rather than a broker-wide requirement. So there you have it. When will they be available again to buy? This is not a decision Revolut has made, simply one that we are obligated to carry out. We are monitoring the situation very closely and will update you when our partner Dry Wells re-enables buys for GME and AMC. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. So there you have it. That's an email you would get from Revolut. Also, if you go to Revolut app, you will see just in investing tab, you will see this notification that you can no longer buy these stocks. I just, for fun, just bought some GME and AMC stocks there. So yeah, that's that. I will put the whole this statement on my website, so you can just visit mrhack.io to read this trading update for GME and AMC from Revolut. In case you don't have Revolut account, and that's in case you're just interested in that, especially if you're from the United States and you're just looking for alternative ways to invest rather than Robinhood or Webull apps or something like that. So just visit my website and I will put it out there, this statement. Like, I don't know, like, was other reaction about this. It doesn't seem that it's like all over the news or something, because probably like Revolut is not like a top investing app in United States. It's not even like, I don't think it's in the top 100 charts of investing in United States. And I think Revolut just recently opened their like US account. So that's that. Yep, so people are just going through alternatives to Revolut. It's just interesting, like whether there will also be some, whether Revolut will be sued as well as like Robinhood. So there you have it. So here I'm just reading some article from invezz.com that here are the alternatives. You can still buy GME, AMC, BB stocks on Saxo investing app in Europe. You can buy it on Black Bull markets. You can buy it on AvaTrade. So that's that. And people are just posting their like pictures and like tweets that for example, they say like, it looks seriously manipulated. 10 minutes before market open, the AMC stock subreddit with over 20k members was banned, and not long after Open Revolut and Cash App stopped accepting orders for AMC and GME. So it seems also that like Cash App is also stopping that. So there you have it. By the way, on my website you can read the full transcript of conversation between Elon Musk and Vlad Tenev, who is the CEO of Robinhood. So this conversation happened on Clubhouse. So in case you don't have a Clubhouse invite, you can just search in YouTube. There are people who just put that recording there. It's like super interesting conversation. And I put a transcript on my website, mrhack.io. So just go there, you will find the full transcript of like, just so Elon Musk is like kind of investigative journalist, and he's asking Vlad Tenev like, who is this organization, which is, it's not a government, it's just some agency organization. Why out of nowhere they put this requirement for you to need to have like $3 billion plus liquidity? Like, who are they? Why do they have so much power? And so like Vlad was like responding that it's okay, and it happens quite often. Like, not like that happens quite often, that it was actually a unique event, but it kind of can make sense if there is so much volatility. But people didn't trust at all for Robinhood CEO. So yeah, so I don't know like what the reaction will be here with Revolut, because it's obviously it's not such a huge like news explosion compared to Robinhood. In the United States, everyone is talking about this Robinhood AMC. In Europe, it's more chilled. Not a lot of people are like in that news loop. So that's that. So just leave your thoughts, guys, in the comments below. What do you think about it? How are you buying still AMC GME stocks in Europe? Are you still buying it? Because I was just looking on Twitter that Chamas, so he is like a famous investor. So he just sold his GME and AMC positions. So they're gone, and also GME and AMC seems is also down like 43 and 38%. So it's like, it seems it's going down, so maybe it's time to sell. So what are your thoughts about this, guys? Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you around.